ASMR. Nakikita niyo yung nose holes ko. It's already 10:22. What's going on in the kitchen? There's a little lady.
Hi!
Kamusta ka?
Okay lang. I'm eat already.
Very good.
Ampalaya.
Na? Ginisa?
Ampalaya. Hindi. Make boil only. Why? It's good!
Yikes! Oh! Ay, sus! Chef F, what are we making today?
Boiled egg. Egg mayonnaise.
Okay, so we're gonna prepare first what we need for today's shoot. This involves getting makeup. It's light. Hello! Nakatakip talaga yung kamay dito. Alam na this why. We're gonna take these ones. One hand. Okay, excuse me. We'll get this one. ColourPop Bitty. Purple palette of Jacqueline Hill. Yes, there she is. So we're done with the eyeshadows. Hi, Belle. Mauves. And then we're gonna look for a mauve there. Here's another mauves. I still have other lipsticks here that I think are mauves. Diba? Halo-halo siya. Eyelash drawer na. ColourPop liquid lips pa. Okay, so in this Ferrero Rocher case are all my ColourPop liquid lips. Kasi favorite ko yung ColourPop satin lips nila. Watch out for the makeup declutter that is soon to happen. And by soon, I mean give me 2 months. In choosing my outfit now, I have one clothing rack here in the hallway. And then here in my studio, I also have another clothing rack. As in, there's no rhyme or reason kung ano yung nandyan. Basta na lang nakahanap si Manang ng paglalagyan. And then, lo and behold, this is the room called the panic room. Not because this is the safest room, but because whenever I enter here, I start to panic. This is why I keep telling you guys, my house is like a Smokey Mountain. Imagine this room. This is my closet. This is my closet room. I'm so grateful that I do have a closet room. One day, I will be able to give you a proper tour of what's inside. But right now, look at what I'm gonna tour you with. Nice, no? So these bags are actually from my first declutter already. I have to sell them. I can't give them away, guys, because masyadong sexy yung mga clothes ko. Nakakaya naman sa mga ka-receive. Now, what am I going to wear for filming today? How about this? This is medyo mauvey, no? Oh, tagal na nito. This is a Topshop sando for siguro since 2008. Yay! We are officially getting ready. Breakfast is ready at a Chef F. Yeah. Oh. Breakfast at 12. Okay, so preparation begins. We're gonna groom me.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.
1:05 already, so it took like 45 minutes to straighten the hair. Can you imagine if I did the curls today? Which is why it takes me 1,000 years. Mr. F has already set up partially. I'm just gonna do the last minute things. Let there be light. In you go. To your tripod. Aha! Ooh, these eyebrows are pretty heavy duty.
Can I get out?
Okay, thanks. Let there be sound. 1:45. That's super early. Start filming. Okay, so we finished my first video. We are moving on to the second one.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
I don't know what I'm doing.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.
Okay, we're back in the studio. And this light. And then my ring light. The pack. Bam. Okay, and we're rolling. So I just finished filming 2 videos today. It's already 5:33. Breakfast was my last meal, and so I have my merienda early dinner. Lucky me pancit with chicken breast and egg on top. Care of my chef F. Not the healthiest, but it's super sarap. Now comes the fun part. Ligpitan time! We've changed outfits. Whew, I'm so tired already. We're recording Heal the World. I've been approached to record this as an initiative to help motivate the people nowadays in these times. So I've already recorded this the first time. So I guess it's gonna have a resurgence in popularity, this song. There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. And this place could be much brighter than tomorrow. We could really get there if we cared enough for the living. Make a better place. Ooh, make a better place. Heal the world. Make it a better place. It's time for suffering. It's time for exercise. Okay, our cardio's done. So the next thing that I have to do is my stretches because I've been trying to achieve a split since November of last year.
Your back leg bent, and then we're gonna go ahead and reach to the side and then take it forward to target 2 different muscles in our hamstring, starting with the outside and then into the under hamstring. And then go ahead and take it forward. Put your elbows all the way down to the ground. But if you're feeling a little bit ambitious, put it even further down. So we're gonna go all the way over to the side again and reach towards your toes. Then we're gonna put our chest on our knees again and get prepared for the splits. Go ahead and slide your right leg out behind you and go down as far as you can. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to The Psyche Truth and favorite this video if you enjoyed the stretch.
Dad?
Dad. So after I have sweated the milk teas away and the pancit canton, it's time to refill. The last meal of the evening. Last meal. Menudo. Cheers, Mr. F. Ginto ang apple juice, but we're finding ways to inject some vitamins. I've already showered, and then now we're away to watch Tiger King.
Where do you want to start? I guess at the beginning somewhere. The crazy beginning. Crazy. What was the beginning?
And that's it, folks. The day has ended. It's already 12:03 midnight. The husband is situated over here on the floor, cozy. Good night, world. Good night, F Bombshells. Good night, Mr. F. Night. Bye. Stay safe and sane, okay?